European university alliances can actually bring that very important factor of multi-voicedness. And that was also mentioned in the conference, that we are stronger together when we speak one voice but from many voices. And also European university alliances can bring the competence, the expertise that is necessary to actually go from just producing input to producing impact in the society in terms of economic value, but also in terms of social value.
I'm Irina Sikorska from Mariupol State University. Our university is associated partner of the Alliance of Transform for Europe already for around 5 years. And what can I say from our perspective? It's a great advantage to be a partner of, a member of such a great family of distinguished universities from 10 different countries, from 10 distinguished universities. We are learning, yes, we are learning from each other.
In Europe, as individual universities, we are relatively small and have very limited capabilities to be attractive globally compared to Asian or American universities. So this kind of alliances of close collaboration among particular universities within the European Union is in fact the only chance for us to really matter more, to make quantum leap in terms of global competitiveness and becoming much more attractive for our students, for our researchers, and for international global scientific community. So this is not the question what are the advantages, but rather the question whether we have any other option, any other choice if we want to really be visible and to take part in this global community of the best players in higher education.